Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm in Blender 4.0. I'm going to talk a little bit about blend modes and when to use each one, what they do. So this is a PNG image. I'm using it as an images on planes, images as planes. Shift A. If you're below the center of the screen and you push Shift A and you try to add like a mesh, you'll have to scroll up to the top. If you hit this from the higher on the screen, you'll be able to scroll down the menu. So you go to images as planes, and then it'll pop up with an image, and you just pick which one you want. Here in the shader editor, I'm using the nodes. If you want to copy this, it's what will give you in cycles in rendered mode, rendered view. It'll give you a clear background and the shadows. So in Eevee, if you want to make it clear, you have to do some things. So go to the Materials tab, and then with this selected, go to Materials tab, and then right now it's just set to opaque. And then you're going to get a solid shadow like it's a solid object. If you go to Alpha Clip, and we're in Eevee, so we're not getting really, we're getting a little bit of shadows. Alpha Hashed. Alpha Clip is going to give you really sharp edges for your image. Alpha Hashed is going to give you the kind of sharp image with a little, like a rougher like texture to it. And then the Alpha Blend is going to just, it's not as clear as Alpha Clip. So that's how that works. I just put this plane back here so you can see the shadows and whatnot. I'm going to go into this section right here. I got these planes and cubes. Each one of these cubes is set different. The cube and the plane right here is set to opaque, and so it just acts like a solid object with another solid object. And then the alpha hashed kind of does the same thing, but it's going to give you little different shadows, and it's noisier. It slows down the computer. If you have a lot of objects that have alpha hashed on them, and they're blended this way, and it's going to slow down your, it's going to cost you some performance. Now, this cube and plane are set to Alpha Blend. Now, with Alpha Blend, because this plane here is set below the origin point of the cube, I see the cube on top. That's what Alpha Blend does. It goes, it overlays the surface color on top of the previous color, but it just goes by the order of the object. So if it's closer to the camera, closer to what you're seeing, the screen space effects are going to have it where now I can see the cube, but if I take the plane and I select it with G, push Z for the Z axis, once I bring it just above the center, all I can see is the plane. So that's what the Alpha Blend does there. See the there you go. So I hope that helped, and if you liked it, like and subscribe. Thank you.